put in 2 contracts, 80.25 and put in 2, looking for 85 in the first instance, as we said, and then 87.5 to 89ish. Okay, that one got stopped out. So looking for the next thing. Now what I'm seeing here is an appendix. It's got this pivot low here, appendix here. 74 is about 74.5, so 74ish is the neckline, the A and B of the appendix. Well, A is 74.5, but anyway, it's the midway of the channel, and we've got that volume spike that we were looking for. So it's definitely, well, not definitely, but it's pointing up. But it's how to get on board. That's the $1 million question. So we'll look for one of our entry triggers, and the next thing I'm looking at is long, looking back to where we took our trade off, where we took our original trade at 80.25. That would be the first zone of resistance for such a trade. Did dip low, I've put the order in, see what happens. So it looks like we're on our way. If it just zooms up there, I'll try to extend the target out to 81, 81.50. Otherwise, I'll just take it at 80. This is a bit of a resistance area here, so if it does pop through here, you want to see it just sail through 80. If it stalls at 80, I'm just going to grab it. Finger hovering over the sell order. Here we go, getting up to 80. It's just got to zip through, otherwise I'll just grab it anywhere around 80ish. So after all that, stopped. Okay, in 81.75, looking for to get back the loss basically. So the golden mean would be enough. If I could, I would extend it out to 88 to 89. Pausing for now. Defending at 85.50-ish. Okay, it's popping there. I'm going to move the order out to 88.50. Try and stick in a stop at 87-ish. Or if it hesitates there, I'll just go ahead and get out. It's popping, so there's no reason not to try for the extended target. Okay, that's just a tick away from that. Is it holding here? What is it doing? Let's see. Any hesitation there and I'll be out. Well, it's pulled back there. Pausing for now. Ouch, that hurt. So this is definitely a mistake here. I wanted to see if I could get back above break even, and instead I'm still languishing nearly $200 down. So hesitation on exit. Not good. Going to try 2 contracts again at 150. And what were we saying before? We were looking at 86. So 150 we were looking for here. This time I'm looking for, I'll defend along the way, but I'm looking for 87, well 86 as we said, 86 to 87, and then up to 88 to 90. Looks like I've missed it. I had the order on the books. Well, I wanted to get the order on the books, but I was hesitant, so that's a miss there. 350 wouldn't be bad here on this momentum reversal with an appendix at highs going back to this same zone of action here. Only problem with this is our first zone of action is 2 points away. Okay, this will be my last trade of the day, 86.75 on 2 contracts. It'd be great if I could just make back the loss. If it did rocket up, I would try to get up to the golden mean of 94.50-ish. Any hesitation here and I'd be out. Pausing for now. The end of a terrible day. Back at it tomorrow. So circumstance got the better of me today. Took a long here, that didn't work, fair enough. Took a long here, went enough in favor to more than cover the stop, but I was aiming for like a point higher, about here at this zone of action, 80. Didn't quite get there, didn't take it off when it respected this resistance point here, 1, 2, and then 3 here, perhaps 4 there as well, and let it come back and stop me out for to the tick before moving on to those targets and higher. So this scenario created a revenge trading type of mindset where I would have liked to have either broken this trade even or taken it off here, and I didn't do either of those, but fair enough, it got stopped to the tick. That's the decision I made at the time, but I couldn't accept it here, and so I was looking for more. I said I would get out on hesitation around the golden mean. It hesitated, I didn't get out, I gave back all the gains that would have covered both these 2 losses. So in an ideal world you'd want to lose here, gain back the loss here, and then make 200 here and be done for the day. But according to the rule set, I should have lost here, lost again here, as uncomfortable as it was, taken the gain back here as I said I would, and then got in on this trade that I hesitated on due to the prior mistakes, and taken that to the plus $200 target. And then I've taken this final trade here, which is a bit pushed. It's momentum pattern failure here. There's where the momentum reversal would be. Here's the pattern failure. It didn't work, but that's irrelevant. I should have been at target today, so a bit of work to do, and back at it tomorrow.